is 123 and back with some more Pokemon Black, as you can see. Let's turn this on. Okay, and what you want to do after you do some training in the Dream Yard, like I did, and I got Munna up to level 10, Gus up to level 10, and Chico up to level 10. So all my Pokemon are double digits. Some people may say, let's just turn it up a little bit. Some people may say that my Pokemon are over leveled, but they're not. I do have a cold, so my voice might not sound the same. So what you want to do is come to Professor Fennel's lab, talk to Fennel. Ta-da! Thanks to you, I got the Dream List, and now I can collect save files of various trainers. Thank you very much. As a token of my appreciation, I will give you the C-Gear to use. The C-Gear is a device related to communication such item and for a connection and into the Wi-Fi connection. Sorry about that. My dad's muffler. It's not good. Warning, where wireless communications are prohibited. Yeah. So now you get C-Gear. That's where you can trade Pokemon with people. So, no, I don't. Okay. Now that we've seen not watch Fennel jump, hurry up. God. You talk even more. Oh my god. Now the bow tie person controls it. Okay, thank you very much for everything. This is for me. What did we get? The Pow Pack. Pow Pack. You can make this easier from the Pow Pack. After you read the charger link with the connected Wi-Fi will be out of the funding. You can trade Pokemon, challenge your friends to a battle, and so on. Let's get over. Oh my god. So long. Oh, we can go. Go! Hurry! Before they want to talk even more. So, now that we've done that, you want to get out of Fennel's house. I'll let you do that real quick. Okay. Now, then you want to come over to the Pokemon Center, go over here where we couldn't go before and see what we can do. Ooh, Route 3. This is the route, with the daycare, so if you want to put your Pokemon there for a minute, if you put two Pokemon of the same type, they make a baby. Then there's trainers. Like the trainers. So I'm sending out. They only have one Pokemon. Purloin and Purloin. Munna and Gus. Good combination. Hey, it's all girls. Okay, Munna, use Sideways. You know that doesn't count. Use Yawn on them. And then Gus, you will tackle them. Critical hit. Woo. I can't use Psybeam because Sideways. I'll show you why. Guess I can be on the other one. Okay, so I might not be talking this much because, you know, I have a cold. so yeah. I'll show you what Cyborg does. You know it doesn't hurt him. See, it doesn't affect them, so you use Defense Curl and you finish it off. Okay. Luna 85, Gus 85. Alright, Gus is 11. Detect. No, don't get Detect. Give up on Detect. You know what? Let's get Snivy up in this house. We haven't had Snivy fight in a long time. Yeah, we haven't. So, Snivy, get up there. What you doing down there? So you could go fight them. Get something up there, but we have Nope. Great. No. No, Cherry. I hate your name. You named the child after a cherry. There's 2 Pokemon. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Level 14 already? Mine's only level 13. Pokemon? Pampor, yes, Pampor. So, Pampor evolved at 20, I think? 20, 25. Anywhere in there. So, all my Pokemon, 2 more levels till Snivy evolves. Let's see if we can get Snivy to evolve this level, this episode, as I should say, part. Whoa. I just now noticed something. There's a monkey drinking wine on my dresser. Oh, it's a sticker from Birdhouse. I have a bunch of stickers on my dresser. A lot of them are from when I was a baby because there's a airplane, a car, and a dog, and a ripped up sticker of SpongeBob. Actually 3. And one was when SpongeBob ripped his pants. I remember that episode. Why am I even talking? Ooh, Purloin, so this could get Snivy. Good level upage. Good level upage. Fine, quit. So just to let you know, my stand, because my 3DS, I got a 3DS, and I sold my DSi XL. So I have to use a stand to get my 3DS just high enough for my camera to videotape. So I used Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the last straw, just to hold up my DS. And I got a desk. It's not my pistol, it's my brother's, but I use it. Some of you might ask, what am I doing videotaping when I'm sick? I just wanted to do something, so I thought, why not move on with my adventure in Pokemon? Sorry about that, sorry. Just didn't press the zoom out button. So, let's check the wild Pokemon. Out of the way. Team Plasma. What was that about? Bianca, where are you running? Bianca, hey, where are those people heading? Sharon, that way, bud. Why are you running now? Oh, seriously? They run so fast. Big go, Mish. Oh, my Pokemon. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Don't cry, little girl. Bianca, really, why are you running? You have to hear this. Those people still just go Pokemon. You should have spoken up soon. Jack, we're gonna get the Pokemon back. Bianca, stay by the girl's side. I would like to get the Pokemon back, but I'd rather get this Pokemon. First Super Potion. Let's see what Pokemon's here. I'll look at one Pokemon. It's a flying type. Yes, flying. That's awesome. So, I'm just going straight for it. Just going straight to it. Nothing's holding me back. Nothing's holding me back. Yeah! So now that we got a Pidove, which Pokemon are we gonna leave out? Pidove's awesome still. Let's see. Which Pokemon should we leave out? Munna, definitely. That was easy. So, see ya. There's actually a transfer box in here, so let's go. Where's the transfer box? I'm leaving. Here it is. I know for a fact that there's a transfer box in here. The transfer box, someone's PC, deposit, Munna, deposit. No. Oh god. This has wasted a minute of my recording time. Let's draw Pidove, Gus Growlithe. We need to level Pidove up. So, I think now that this is going to be my main Pokemon party until Gym Badge 3 or 4, because it's such a good party. So, let's actually take Pidove. You know what? Let's evolve Snivy first. Then we'll get Pidove some action. Let's go. You're inside here. Check. The Pokemon's HP is fine. Are you ready to go? Yes. Now let's go. Cave. You'll find a lot of rock Pokemon in here. Jack. These bothersome bunch don't really listen to for a reason. Team Plasma. For some reason, I think I like Team Plasma the best. Okay, Sharon, just let me do all the work. Why couldn't we just do 2-on-2? Wait just 1 second, I need to clean the camera lenses off. Okay, good, that's better. So Vine Whip. Wait 1 second, again. Just making a solo CD. Perfect. Finally, a double battle. Okay, good. Awesome team, awesome. I'll wrap Pat. Oh, get out yourself, potato. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not ending this video till my little stagnator evolves. Let's use a potion. Screw you, Pig. Yeah, let's kill that one first. Kill him. Let's kill him. I only have 4 more Vine Whips left. Oh my god. Oh, I think it's need to beat it. I wanted my best Oklahoma shirt. See, look, you may see it when the screen turns black. Oklahoma! The Oklahoma Sooners. Whoever knows how the Sooners got their name, put it down in the comments. will try to evolve Snivy. I don't think Snivy got a super potion. So, once I evolve Snivy, I think I might end it. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Oh god. Let's do this. Oh, come on! Janet, yes. One Pokemon? 3 Pokemon, of course. 1 for Snivy, and 2 for Kiddo. Kiddo. Holy crap. Kiddo. Let's put those. This is gonna go after that. Gonna go hit. Yay. Level 9, good. Wake up. Let's see how Pampo's doing. So I may do some off-screen training with Kiddo, so yeah. Scratch. Clear. Water gun! Purple, use water gun, yeah! Purple, use water gun again! Come on! Nice job. What? What? They always evolve at level 15. Ugh. What's up? Nah, not yet. Blitzel. Oh, sure. But when I trade for Blitzel, what's more Pokemon? Ow! Oh! 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 I just hurt myself. Oh! Yes, I hurt myself. You saved the little girl. And got the Seagate. I think. And got Pidove. I think we might leave. See ya.